60 seconds. Stay with me for 60 seconds and you'll be able to solve this DSA question. Let's first understand the question. There's a boy who has some coins and we have to return the maximum number of ice creams that can be bought using those coins. We are provided with a list of integers and an integer coins. So list of integer costs contain the cost of ith ice cream. So 1 is the cost of first ice cream, 3 is the cost of second ice cream, 2 is the cost of third ice cream, and so on. And we have 7 coins. We first have to sort the array. So post sorting, the array will look something like this. And we also have coins. Now let's start iterating. So we are at the first element. We check if 1 is smaller or equal to 7. It is. So what we'll do, we will reduce the coins by 1 and increment the counter. The counter was initially at 0. We will increment the counter by 1. We will go to the next element. Is 1 smaller or equal to 6? It is. So what we'll do, we will reduce this by 1 and increment the counter by 1. We will come here. We will see if 2 is smaller or equal to 5. It is. So we will reduce this by 2 and we will increment the counter. We will go here. We will see if 3 is smaller or equal to 3. It is. So we will reduce this to 0 as 3 minus 3 equals to 0. And now we will increment the counter. We will go to the next element. We will see if 4 is smaller or equal to 0. It is not. So we will come out of the loop and then return the counter, which is 4. And so is our answer. So the code goes something like this. We first have to check if I is smaller or equal to coins. If yes, then we will reduce the coins by I and then increment the counter. And then we also have to add another condition. If I is greater than coins, then we will just break out of the loop as if this is sorted. And so suppose we are at this element 2 and our current coins are 1. If this is greater than 1, then obviously these two elements will also be greater than 1 as this is sorted. So we will just break out of the loop and at the end we are just going to return counter. I hope you have understood the approach. Thank you.